So we have 12 K-League packs. We're going to open them just now and see what we get. Hopefully some really nice cards, because this was the first opportunity I've seen any, and I just bought the rest that they had because they came out on last Wednesday and they're really hard to find. And last year I bought a few packs and got a decent amount of cards, but they sold out like hotcakes, so hopefully now we can open them and see what we get. So open the first pack now. So 12 packs here. So this is the first pack. We'll open it very delicately. Make sure not to damage any of the cards. Oh. The first card we have is Moon Sun Mint, the man who loves a crazy celebration. Oh, and this is a new thing we got as well, which is the code for a free Soul Rippler, which I will be using. Nelson Jr. from Bochum, which is the K-League 2. We've got a legend card, Lee Jung-ho, which is incredible. Wow, the current Ulsan manager, former South Korea manager. So that's a really, really good pull. Wow. Key player from Jeju United, Italo. Wow, that looks so cool. Kim Joo-sung from FC Seoul. And Park Jin-sub from Jeonbuk Hyundai Motors. So I'm really happy with that first pack, especially the legend cards, which is, I don't know how rare it is at the moment, but it's something which is amazing for me to see, because we opened the 2023 version of the cards. That was something that I didn't get. Got a few shiny cards, but no legends. So to get some of that caliber is really good. Okay, second packet. We have Kamiya from Gangwon FC. We've got Stanislav Ilychenko, the Russian striker for FC Seoul. And we have a best 11 who's now just transferred actually, and that's So Young-woo, who's just went to Red Star Belgrade. So that is going to be a really rare card. Another code, should keep that. And we've got top keeper, Jo Young-woo, from Ulsan, who is obviously South Korea legend. Hwang In-jae from Pohang Steelers, goalkeeper. And Yeon-suk Young from Gangwon FC. So it's some decent pulls so far. We'll keep the 4 special cards separate. So now move on to the third pack. First pack card we have is Yuri from Jeju United. Alexander Palasevich from FC Seoul. We've got Rising Star, Park Seong-kyo from Incheon United. Nice card to get. Another code. And we also have Defensive Rock, Jonjic, from Incheon United. Another nice card to pack. Jo Min-kyo, K-League 1 top goal scorer last season, and Lee Gwang-young from Gangwon FC. Then move on to pack number 4. So we've got Yu and Su from Gangwon FC. Jong Tae-wook from Jeonbuk Hyundai Motors. Another code. We've got Elite, which I haven't seen that card before. Kim Young-uk. Hope I'm saying that name right. Nice one to get. And then we've got Lee Myung-jo from Incheon United, which is a key player. Another shiny card. And we have a first badge, which is Gangwon FC. And Bertola to round things off from that pack from Daegu FC. So now move on to our, I believe, our fifth pack. Okay, Kim Tae-wan from Jeonbuk Hyundai Motors. So Bo-min from, I believe it's Ansang, Gimpo FC from the K2. So it's a K2 star. Oh, we've got another legend, Lee Sang-yoon. Wow, that looks incredible. Just having a legend card is unbelievable. To have two already from 5 packs is pretty remarkable. Another code. And Kim Joo-sung, who we've already packed, but now we've got him as a defensive rock, which that does look really nice. So happy with that. And we've got Yoon Bik-garam from Suwon FC. And the Suwon FC badge, so that rounds off that pack. Okay, pack number 6. Lee Myung-jae, Ulsan HD. We have Jung Chi-in from, I believe it's Gimcheon Sangmo, the military team. And we also have another code. We have Kim Young-wook, elite card from, I believe it's Seoul Eland in the K2, which is another nice card to pack. And we have back-to-back elites. And we have Wanderson from Pohang Steelers, who again is an incredible player in real life. We have Lee Jong-taek from, I believe, Daejeon Hana Citizen. And Lee Dong-kyung from Ulsan, who just recently went on his military service. So 2 badges so far, Suwon FC and Gangwon FC. And quite a number of special cards, whether it be key players, defenders, defensive rocks, elite, or 2 legends so far. Hopefully can pack some more. So we've got our first duplicate so far, and that's Kamiya from Gangwon FC. We've Lee Gun-hee from Gwangju FC. Another code. And we have another elite, Lim Chae-min from Jeju United. And we have Oberdan, key player from Pohang Steelers. And Han Kuk-young from Gangwon FC. And the Jeju United badge. So that's 3 badges now. First duplicate in Kamiya from Gangwon FC, and a key player and another elite card. So all the specials so far, there's been no duplicates, which is nice to see. I'm getting a variety of different clubs as well, so really liking that. Okay, we've got Kim Han-so, Daejeon Hana Citizen. Kim In-sung from Pohang Steelers. Another code, and we have Elite Lee Wong-hee from, I believe that is Chunam FC from the K2. And Park Jin-sub, who we've already packed, but now we've packed the defensive rock version of him, the rare shiny version, so really nice pack pull that. And we have Choi Sung-jin from Junam Dragons, and that's also another K2 player, so it's a K2 star. And Kim Bong-soo from Gimcheon Sangmo. So it's getting really nice pack pulls here in terms of some K2 players as well, some K2 star players, which you love to see. Yeah. There's a lot of talented players in the K2. Okay. Byung Kyung-jun plays for Seoul Eland in the K2. And Jun-soo, goalkeeper from Suwon FC. Another code. And we've got Elite Woo Ju-song from, I believe that is Gyeongnam FC in the K2. And we also have a goal machine, Gutkovskis from Daejeon Hana Citizen, and that does look like another really nice card. And we have Hong Won-jin from, I don't know, sorry. I don't recognise the badge, but it's another K2 player. So nice pull there. And Choi Young-eun from Daegu FC. We can see another K2 player here is at the top of the card, and that's Lim Min-hyuk from Busan E-Park. Another K2 star, and that is Kim Dong-jin from FC Anyang. We have an best 11. We've got another special Wanderson, the best 11 of 2023, and that looks incredible. That's two we've now got from the best 11. So Young-woo and now Wanderson, but we've also got two versions of Wanderson, which is nice. And we have top keeper Kim Dong-jun from Jeju United, another nice pull there. And we have Kim Jong-hoon from Jumbo Hyundai Motors, and Wong Ki-jong from Gyeongnam FC in the K2. So we have to separate the K2 and the K1, but just put them all together at the moment and just separating the badges with the special cards. Yeah. Exciting times here. Yeah, so down to the last two packs. This is pack number 11. So now Daegu FC player, Go Jae-hyun. We have K2 star from Seongnam FC, Jun Sung-young. We've got another best 11 2023, and that's Gerso from Incheon United. Well, that's very nice. So that's an attacking midfielder / forward. Got another code. And we have Kang Hyun-mook from Gimcheon Sangmo, the military team. That is another nice card to get. Key player. And we have Reese, former Gwangju FC player, now at Jeju United, and former, yeah. And now we have Han Chan-hee from Pohang Steelers. Now upon the final pack, Gets the juices flowing. So now we have Kim Dong-jun, Jeju United goalkeeper. George, Pohang Steelers. We've got another best 11 2023, and that is Zeka from Pohang Steelers. Another nice pool. That's 2 best 11 Pohang Steelers cards. Just shows you how good a season he had last year, winning the Korean FA Cup. And we've got another special card, and that's Defensive Rock, Kwon Kyung-won, and that's from Suwon FC. And we have Kim Jae-woo from Gyeongju Sangwoo. And the last card today, Poko from Incheon United. So that rounds off the 2024 pack opening of the K-League cards. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.